Zero. Launch pads are ready. Our forces on the counter-infiltration grid are totally cautious. I can assure you that whatever will happen on the LC will be neutralized on the LC itself. Security situation or political process are two different parts. We can't club both. So political process, dialogue is a part of a democratic process which is always ongoing. So वो तो जो हमारे गवर्नमेंट है, यूटी गवर्नमेंट है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट है और यहाँ की जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं, they are already engaged in it. So that is a different part. Security consideration control is a different matter, which is being tackled at different level. It should be a constant process. Well, these are all options. A lot of thoughts are happening that Afghan withdrawal will happen. They will come on this side. हो सकता है वहाँ से कुछ लोग आए, but आपको एक ये चीज़ मैं यकीन दिलाता हूँ, वो समय अभी 30 साल वाला नहीं है. कोई बंदा कहीं से भी आने की कोशिश करे. हमारी जो यहाँ पे जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस की जो पकड़ है, बहुत अच्छी पकड़ है और कोई भी काम गलत कश्मीर के अंदर नहीं हो सकता. That terrorism has got two components, terror and ism. Terrorists don't have a district, they don't have a locality. And the ism part, which will always remain, that network will remain, till the time that network doesn't go. A 30 years of situation, if anybody is thinking that in 1 year time it will get over, is something I think flawed. There is a requirement of presence of certain amount of grid, security forces to ensure that the people feel safe and secure for some time and they are able to come out into a absolutely normal, durable peace established. Because situation in Kashmir, due to various reasons, can very well shift very fast to a negative side. काफ़ी ड्रग्स पकड़े गए हैं. पुलिस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इसके ऊपर पूरा फोकस लगाई हुई है. मगर सबसे अहम बात यह है कि हमारे जो फैमिलीज़ हैं, परिवार हैं, टीचर्स हैं, सीनियर सदस्य हैं परिवारों के, वो ये यकीन करें कि हमारे बच्चे यहाँ स्पेशली कश्मीर के बच्चे इस गलत रास्ते में ना पड़े.